How to add live phone calls to a live stream. Adding live phone calls to a live stream creates direct engagement and enhances viewer experience, and if you are here for that, then this is the tutorial for you guys. Alright, first up we're going to go to our scene. So say for example I want to put that in this particular scene here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and open a browser, and in the browser we're going to go ahead and look for an application called Let's View. So we're just going to go ahead and download this particular app here on our phone and on our PC. So again, download this one for both of the devices, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it because I have already installed this one. Alright, here it is. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is basically do a screen mirror. So how are we going to do that? We're just going to go ahead and tap this one here from our phone, and we're just going to go ahead and scan the code. So that's just how we are going to do it. We're just going to allow this one, and now we have our phone here on our PC. So this is what we are going to do from this point forward. We're going to go ahead and open our Streamlabs, and we're just going to go ahead and add a new source. The new source that we are going to add is going to be called a window capture. Click add source, add a new one, and we're going to go ahead and name this one phone. Click add source once again, and then go ahead and choose that particular window. So again, it's going to be the Let's View app. So this one right here. Now for any other settings here, just go ahead and leave that one. Just click done, and now you are here. Now from this point forward, you should see your phone. However, if you don't want to see that, you can just go ahead and tap this one in order to close it. So now you're not seeing it anymore. Now from this point forward, people can go ahead and call you, and then you will be able to answer them. Now to show you an example, I'm just going to go ahead and open, say for example, YouTube to let you hear it. So I'm going to go ahead and lower the volume here for desktop audio. The desktop audio, by the way, is very important because this is where we are going to pick up the sound. So I'm going to go ahead and open YouTube, for example. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and play something. So let's go ahead and open our channel. Alright, so I'm going to play just one video, for example.
Adding a frequently asked questions. And yeah, I think it'd be better if we and all the other questions here. Alright, there you go. So here's how to add a domain in Shopify. Adding a domain in Shopify.
Alright, there you go. As you can see, you were able to hear the audio very crispy, right? It sounds very clear, and then you can go ahead and see it as well if you want to. So congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to do it. Now you know how to add live phone calls to your live stream. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials, from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.